Hi there, my name is Dickson Wong. I am an award-winning and multilingual tutor at the Profs, having graduated from the LSE. I'd like to talk to you about something that will define the next few years of your life, your university experience. Now, some of you might come to university with a clear plan. Graduate with a first-class honours, land your dream job, and never go anywhere near your university after that. Others may be here for an adventure, the friendships, the independence, the chance to discover who you are. And then there are some who might still be wondering how the heck 9 a.m. lectures could even be legal. No matter where you fall on this spectrum, university is a unique chapter of your life, one that is challenging, transformative, and filled with opportunities. The question is, how do you make the most out of it? And that's what I'm here for today, to help you understand that and share with you 5 tips that ensures that you leave university not just with a degree, but with experiences, skills, and memories that will serve you well for years to come. Tip number 1, step outside your comfort zone. University is a complete fresh start. It's a place that no one knows who you are, no one knows what you did at high school, and you're free to reinvent yourself, try new things, and embrace new challenges. Yet, a common mistake many students make is by playing it safe. They only stick to what they know, they stay in familiar circles, and they avoid new experiences that push them outside of their comfort zone. But here's the thing, growth happens when you are uncomfortable. Think about the most successful people in the world, whether it's in business, sports, or art. None of them got to where they are by staying comfortable. They took risks. They embraced challenges. They put themselves in situations where they had to learn, adapt, and grow. University gives you that perfect environment to do just that. Maybe for you, stepping outside of the comfort zone means joining a club or society where you don't know anyone. Maybe it means putting your hand up in a lecture even if you're scared you may say something wrong. Maybe it's about learning a new language, participating in a student event, or taking on a leadership role that you're not sure you can handle. It's going to feel awkward at first. You may feel nervous, maybe even a little bit ridiculous, but that's good, because that's how you know you're growing. The moments that you feel the most uncomfortable are often the ones that lead to the biggest breakthroughs. So say no to comfort and familiarity, and say yes to new experiences and growth. Tip number 2, build meaningful relationships. We've all heard of a saying, it's not just about what you know, but who you know. University is one of the only times in your life where you'll be surrounded by thousands of people, all in the same stage of life, all trying to figure things out just like you. You will meet people from different backgrounds, different culture, different perspective, so make the most of it. Some of these people will become your closest friends for a lifetime, certainly true in my personal experience. Some may introduce you to new ideas or opportunities, and some may even one day become future colleagues, business partners, or lifelong companions. So make a real effort by investing in relationships. Be intentional about meeting people, join clubs, attend society events, connect with people in your field on LinkedIn, and don't be afraid to offer your hand to strangers to start conversations. Attend networking events and introduce yourself to guest speakers. Connect with people that share the same passion as you. Remember, strangers are just friends that you have yet to make. Now, however, networking is not just about boosting your career opportunities. It's about building meaningful relationships. What I mean by that is surrounding yourself with the right people. Find friends who challenge you and push you to become better, who celebrate your wins, who support you through your struggles, who will encourage you to take risks and hold you accountable when you slack off. Because at the end of the day, your university experience is not just shaped by what you do, but by the people that you share it with. Tip number 3, challenge yourself academically. Yes, university is challenging and it is supposed to. Otherwise, as we've talked about in the first tip, you won't improve and you won't grow. But too many university students I come across coast through the degree by doing the bare minimum, just aiming to graduate rather than truly engage with their field of studies. University is not meant to be memorizing information and regurgitating it in the exams. It's about developing a way of critical thinking, sharpening your problem-solving skills, and expanding your intellectual curiosity. So, challenge yourself. Take courses that genuinely interest you, even if they're harder. Ask the deeper questions that help you learn the root causes of things. Push your limit beyond what you think you're capable of. If a professor mentions something that sparks your interest, go beyond the lecture notes. Read the extra material, do the independent research, and explore the topic further, even discussing them with your fellow students. Remember, this is your education. What you get out of it is what you put into it. So make the most of these 3 to 4 years, because university is your last chance to be at a place surrounded by people who are willing and able to teach you anything and everything for free. There will not be anything like this ever again after you've graduated. Tip number 4, study abroad. One of the most life-changing experiences you can have at a university is to study or travel abroad. Many universities offer exchange programs, international internships, or study tours. These opportunities are invaluable, not just for your academic growth, but also for your personal development. Universities such as, say, University College London offer subsidies to relieve some of the cost of attending summer schools. Or you could look at attending a language school perhaps. Research suggests that learning a foreign language improves the students' thinking skills and memory. Traveling changes the way you see the world. It forces you to step into unfamiliarity and environments, adapt to the new cultures, and gain a perspective that you simply cannot get from a textbook. It's also another way to encourage you to step out of your comfort zone, from navigating a new country to meeting new people from different cultures to experiencing the world beyond your home country. These skills, these networks, these memories will stay with you for a lifetime. So if you ever get a chance to study abroad, I recommend you take it. Tip number 5, plan for your career. Finally, don't wait until the final year to think about your career. Many students graduate with no idea what they want to do next. They focus so much on passing the exam that they forgot to build the skills, the experience, and the connections needed to get a job. So start early. Apply for internships, attend career fairs, talk to your university career departments, build your CV, etc. Of all the above, internship is the best way to start because they not only help build your professional network, but also help you figure out what you would like or perhaps not like to do in the future. You might do, for instance, a summer internship at an investment bank and then only to realize that you don't actually enjoy it. Or you might do a spring week working for an accounting firm and feel like you finally realized your dream. And both experiences are fine, but you will not know what is right or not right for you unless you give it a go. University is about more than just getting a degree. It's about growth, experience, people you met, and prepping yourself for the real world after that. So step outside of your comfort zone, build meaningful relationships, challenge yourself academically, and take opportunities to travel. Start thinking about your career well before you graduate. When you look back years from now, you don't want to just remember the lectures and the exams. You want to remember these valuable moments that shape you into who you are today. So go out there and make the most out of university. Good luck. If you found this video to be useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel where we'll give tutees like you the insider knowledge you need to get ahead of school and helping you get the best grades possible. Together, we will help you thrive to reach your academic goals. And please share this video with anyone who you think might find this useful, and feel free to leave any questions in the comment section below. If you'd like to improve your university experience, please don't hesitate to get in touch with me or with our team of professionals. The contact information is on your screen right now. I'm Dickson Wong from The Profs. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the very best of luck with your studies.